Hello and welcome to this video demonstration of a new analysis self-service product from AnyData Solutions. My name is Dan Muckett and I have several years of experience as a business intelligence analyst, and for much of that time I've used Microsoft Excel. So I've agreed to road test this product for the guys at AnyData, essentially to see if it's as good as they say it is. Could it feasibly tempt me away from my Excel world? So it promises to dramatically reduce the time it takes to turn data into insights. I guess to produce something I'd be prepared to start sharing and discussing with managers, with colleagues. So I've prepared some, I've got some test data here. We're going to spend a few minutes loading it into the tool. We're producing a dashboard and, well, let's see if it is as good as they say it is. So without further ado, I've got some data on UK crime figures that I've taken from recorded crime figures that I've taken from the data.gov.uk website. So I'm going to quickly find those on my PC and load those in. While I'm doing that, I will say, first impressions, I'm hugely impressed. It is very simple to use. This is about the fourth, fifth time I've logged into this, logged into the website. And I've had no training, and it seems pretty intuitive. So you can produce some fairly rich interactive dashboards with a minimum fuss. So I've located this file. I'm just going to save it there. It's as simple as that. There are plenty of options. It'll deal with dates, various type conversion options. It will apparently fix common problems with data. So delimiter issues, descriptions rolling onto multiple lines. I've not tested this myself. I've seen it demoed by the developer, and that alone looks like it could save quite a bit of time. But for now, we're going to take this data. See, it's already there. This is now my online data repository, if you like. So I don't necessarily need to be carrying around laptops, USB sticks, emailing, etc. It's all there on the cloud. Now, loading this data in should already have created a dashboard. So I'm just going to click there, and we'll see what we've got. And there it is. Fairly simple. It's just a list. Now the interesting bit comes when I can just click here and go on to edit that rather simple dashboard. Now this is the bit which I think could save quite a bit of time compared to playing around with pivot tables, charts in Excel. So there we go. This is the design view. It's got my list playing back the data to me. Not too interested in that. I'm going to delete that. Gone. So there are various options along the top: pivots, grid, charts, pie charts. So some interactive maps that look quite interesting, which I've not had a chance to play with yet. Filters and images, if you like, if you want to pretty up your results a little. As an Excel user, I'm going to go straight for the pivot table. So let's get our recorded crime figures into some kind of order. Summarize, and there we go. That looks simple enough to me. Years along the top, yeah, we'll go with that. Let's add a chart. I am going to add a chart which will show these figures broken down by region. So again, number of crimes, 47 million. Let's bring region in as a series, and there we go. It's a chart. It really is as quick as that. Not quite happy, not quite content with that, so rotate. Yeah, that looks better to me. There are lots of options, series types you can see along the top. Lots of things I could spend a little while playing with. I'm pretty sure I've not even scratched the surface. But for now, let's leave that and let us create a third and final chart. This one I'm going to use to show off one thing that really impresses me. It's how quickly and easily, with, again, no, you don't need to be a developer, you don't need really any training, but we're going to create a chart with drill down stroke, in fact drill through to some of the underlying data. So again, we're going to look at the total number of offences, and this time we're going to start with the years. In fact, we're going to start with the years in here. So no problem, slight mistake there, but very easy to rectify. It's just drag and drop, simple as that. So there's my rather busy looking chart. This is the interesting bit, this is the clever bit. So I'm going to choose to drill down, and there you see it's just showing the years. If I double click on a year, then it's showing the offences within that year. I'm just going to tidy that up a little. Let's sort by, let's sort offences, and let's sort descending, and there we go. I'm reasonably happy with that. The one last thing I'm going to do is turn this chart into a filter. So now, if I click on a year, let's choose 2007, see that everything else on the dashboard is instantly reacting to that filter. So let's clear that, and this time double click to drill down, and there we go. All interactive, and that's within minutes. So hugely impressed by this. I'd urge anyone who works with data to have a look. And like I said earlier, I'm pretty sure I've not even scratched the surface. So the various ways in which you can share this data and collaborate, the fact that it will fix data on the fly as you load it in. There are no templates, no wizards. It's looking very impressive, and I hope to see you in another video.